Ebusuenra Ashanti Regional Minister Dr. Frank Abwakohene Kupi Public Account Committee Local Government enim na odofo penny ne kwahwe oye doctor mpa me say oye doctor mpa cheze question bi bisani bia no he was not fumbling question bi bisani bia no oya no konfa no chede no waka hospital we de no waka ibisani question bi no oya no afi dey even omo no tutu na no omo ka afi no mu question bi akro mu musani bi because like excellent they say onim de woka onim de woye Ashanti Regional Minister Dr. Frank Abwakohene Messi Enra hey enya guru what dey share video no
His Excellency the President, through the Legislative Assembly Common Fund and Local Government Ministry, has made provisions so that we would not always depend on the central government to push projects within the region, so that the district assemblies will be capable enough to make sure we receive the fair share of development at that minute or basic level. With this, 80% of the common fund is being made available to the MMDAs. And as I speak with you now, most of them have received a minimum of 2 quarters. And yesterday, as we listened to them, you realize that the money is quite significant and is able to help us in that regard. These funds are tied to projects which most of the municipalities and the districts have started. 10% is expected to help with furniture to be able to support school children in the rural schools. 10% is able to help us with the health sector to provide a minimum of 2 chip compounds. With regards to the chip compounds, we're giving priority to old or ongoing or abandoned ones so that we'll be able to complete them under that quota. In the event where there are no old or ongoing ones, we would expect that new ones are started, which most of the districts who do not have old ones have initiated same. So as I speak with you, if we are to go by that 2 chip compound per district, it means that Ashanti region will benefit from 86 chip compounds across the region. And this is very fundamental for health provision because the Ghana Health Service designs or demarcates chip zones. Usually they exist without chip centers where physical health provision can be made. So with this intervention from the district assemblies, we should be able to deliver health care to the doorstep of most of the people within the region. When it comes to education, aside the furniture, we also dedicate 10% to provision of infrastructure, i.e. classroom blocks. So they are expected to put up primary or KG blocks, 2 of them across all the region. So it also indicates that you're going to have 2 of these times 43, that is 86 of same. Beyond all these, His Excellency the President has made a reservation of 25% of the fund to be used for the 24-hour economy model markets. And for me as regional minister, it's a great intervention for us because if you look at the profile of Ashanti region closely, you realize that majority of our people are very much interested in trading. So the person can be a white-collar worker or can be a doctor, but will still want to have a shop at any of the markets. So this intervention is going to really help the region. For the markets, it will mean that we're going to initiate 43 new markets as a 24-hour economy model market. These markets are expected to have police stations, fire stations, the Women's Development Bank as part of same, local workshops, among others. So that any time of the day, anytime you wake up, you can always find any services you want to have at these market centers. Importantly, for some districts, we have decided that there are key market infrastructure that are abandoned.
Everything was on point. Or can we, can we win the worker like and right they may say I feel they know many who question because they musa no plan worker. Dr. Frank Abwakohene, Ashanti Regional Minister. he will do.